Hello, hello traders, welcome back to the Royal FX Trading. It is Zubairo here. Today I'm excited to bring you another video. This time we are doing a detailed recap trades that we took from last week, starting from 20th to 24th of January. We will be going through some interesting setups like GBPJPY, EURJPY, including gold, also GBP USD. So this video is about all being transparent, showing you the highs and the lows of my forex journey. So whether you are a beginner or experienced trader, I hope you will find something valuable to take away. So if you don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you already subscribed, thank you for being part of this journey with me. So now let's jump into the recap and see what happened last week from the market. So let's start first by looking the high impact news that we had, starting from Monday, which was January 20th. We had USD Bank holiday, and at 5 p.m. we had President Trump speakers. So on Tuesday, actually, we got JBP claim count change, CPI monthly and CPI yearly for a Canadian dollar. NZD, we got CPI quarterly. On Wednesday was no high impact news. On Thursday, we got core retail sales monthly, and also retail sales monthly, unemployment claims, and President Trump was speaking as well. So most important day was also on Friday, where we got Bank of Japan interest rate, JPY yen interest rate, and also Euro and GBP and USD BMI news. So if I show you here the structure of dollar, so as we analyzed it last Sunday on our weekly trading analysis, so we can see dollar remained bearish. So actually we were expecting dollar to reach these lower levels, and we can see exactly it reach it, because here we were getting a lot of impulse and corrections. So actually this trade was dollar amazing. Also if I show you, JPY was one of the best trade setups that we got from last week. We analyzed it and mentioned that JPY yen will remain bearish, and exactly it happens, as you can see, guys. So our target for JPY was to reach these lower levels. The reason why I was saying that, because we got this channel, if you can see here, and now still we can see for all structure on JPY, it is moving still in a sell direction. So what can we expect from this? We will see on this news on this week. So another we had for Canadian dollar. So Canadian dollar, basically, personally I was expecting to the Canadian dollar to reach this lower level. So what happened for the news, we can see on 21st of January it dropped, and now we see the price pullback, and again now we got large correction here, but still the price is moving downside. So actually it's still possible for Canadian dollar to reach this double bottom. Okay, so that's this area where I wait for this Canadian dollar to reach. Also, I want to show you the structure of JBP. So really we saw a strong momentum, bullish momentum for pound. So here, the last when we were analyzing, we mentioned that JPY we are expecting to reach this level. For me, I was expecting it to reach this area volume, and now here we can see we already hit our target. So we will see what will happen for the week, and I will make another analyze for this. So what can we expect from this trade? But last week, basically, so this is how we traded for pound. And now you can see here we got impulse corrections. So it was pure price action, and I love it, the structure. And actually I had so much confidence when I see this structure for pound. So now if I show you the setup is that I already shared with you, then I told you that we can trade for the week. So first we will start GBPJPY. So actually GBPJPY, when we started trading, it was on Monday, and at that time already we got in this first entry. So actually I was positive because I knew that the JPY yen was already weak, and this one we expect for a continuation, and it really happened exactly as we analyze it. So even if you look for 15-minute time frame, so usually for me personally, when I trade, I do, for example, when I get this kind of setups, so always I put the stop loss below of this level. So usually I set my stop loss below this level, so I use like 20 pips. So but we can see how amazing, how beautiful this pair move it. So actually it gave us multiple entries. So because we know like our JPY was here already, when it hit our target, I already got to that. For me, I'm done for the trading on GBPJPY, already nearly 300 pips, and still the price up. So it was amazing trade. Secondly, we got a EURJPY, which is also another interesting and amazing pair that I can see like all JPY pairs. So done with a pure price action, and we got beautiful entries. So here for Euro JPY, we also buy in this area, and our target was to reach here, and now you can see it's still pushing up, although it didn't hit our target, but it is nearly now only 90 pips left, and it's possible for tomorrow when the market opens. Okay, so this how I analyze it for EURJPY is this channel, guys. Okay, because here we can see in on the trend line basically that we got multiple three touches. Okay, so all this shows you that the price didn't break this level, and so when I see this kind of setup is, I'm confident 100% that it will be a pure buy, and exactly it happened. Here we got another jump, we got pulse, we waited for confirmation, we got this little correction, and then we get the first run, the first impulse, which was 104, and now the price pull back. So this is when the price will give you another second entry. Okay, so if you are very smart, you can get another entry here, and then we got second impulse, which was starting from here to here. So that means 217 pips, and then on Friday we got this correction because we had a JPY interest rate, and boom, again what happened was we got another impulse. So that means we can get here for three entries only for EURJPY. Okay, and don't forget, for the first time in 17 years, Bank of Japan raised their interest rates, and I already uploaded to my video because before it was previous was 0.25, and now the forecast it happened exactly, and they raised it, which is 0.50. Okay, so it didn't happen such a long time for Bank of Japan to raise their interest rate since financial crisis in 2008. So actually, it was a really interesting week for JPY pairs. NZDJPY, almost the same structure. Okay, here again we got our first entry. So we can see the price got impulse, correction, and we got this one. So for me, when the price pulled back here, so I was so much confident that it will go in this yeah. Okay, our target was almost 345 pips, but now we can see the price still in pushing up. So if we see only 75 pips left for the target to complete this job. So on here again, look, that same structure that we have, same as EURJPY and GBPJPY, all of them, they have kind of same structures. So we got the confirmation there, and AUDJPY, it doesn't need to analyze because it's same price actions, all of them. So, and again here we got triple touch on our trend line. So that is when we know that price, especially this one, we got the first run, and then we waited this confirmation 15 minutes, we get this pure correction. That was our first entry, and then you put your, and then you set your stop loss for 20 pips or 15 pips, whatever you like, and then bam. So we already got 187, but my target this is 131 pips. So USDJPY was the only pair that had different structure because I know it was weak. So what happens if, I will explain to you, if two pairs, one of them is weak, okay, another one, for example, dollar is weak. Look, dollar is weak. That means, and JPY was also weak because both of them we were expecting in a bearish market. So what happens for USDJPY? So that means we have a positive confirmation 100% that if two pairs, all of them, they are bearish. So that means you are expecting this pair 100% for bearish as well. So ask yourself, why GBPJPY or other pairs that ends with JPY went a strong momentum for bullish, and this one remained in a consolidation. Okay, so usually they remain a consolidation because of two pairs which is bearish. That's why this one, it remained in a large no direction at all. Okay, we just got this little one, we just got that 95, and then the price will back. That's it. So actually USDJPY, it didn't happen as I was expecting. My target, although was 581, I was expecting for the week, but it didn't happen. Okay, so I can say USDJPY was not as favorite. Okay, also here USD, oh my goodness, was another beautiful setup for the week that we had. So let's start by on what happens on Monday. Okay, Monday we got our first entry. Okay, because we know that here we got a beautiful correction, which we got multiple touch. It didn't break, and we got impulse. So let me show you a bigger picture. Look here what happened. We got impulse, correction, and then bam, we got 100 because I always my stop, I set my TB on this mantle. Okay, so I set my TB there, and now we got 139 pips. So what happened? The price pulled back here, and we got another correction. So when we got this confirmation, still we knew that GBP USD is still in a strong bullish market. What happened after it break this first candle? So then again we buy it and we put our stop loss 20 pips below of this, and then the trade on it gain 100 pips. So the most interesting thing, guys, okay, that you will surprise here was 20, which was Monday, and this trade was again on Tuesday. So when you get this, it was 12. Let me put you in a bigger picture so you can put this vertical line. So let me put the vertical lines here. So this one was January 20th at 1:30 p.m. we got this entry. The second day, it was on Tuesday. So let me put this candle. Look, second off was Tuesday, 21 January, and then look the time, guys, below. It was 1 p.m. So Monday we got 1.5, and this one we got 1. Only 30-minute difference between them. Also, the third entry that we took for the week was again on Thursday, because on 22, which was Wednesday, the price was in consolidation. There was no impulse. So what happens on Thursday? Okay, look again the time, 12:15. We got our third entry. So that means we got total JPY for 3 pure entries, and minimum was 100 pips, 100, 100, and 193 pips, almost 200 pips, guys. Okay, so this is what I am trying to share with you every week. So those of you who follow my analysis will already know what kind of setup is that I am already analyzing. So actually, USD was one of the best setups, all I can say. Last was gold. Okay, I know gold is interesting pair. So if you watched the last video, I mentioned that the only target that we are expecting, okay, for gold is this double top. And I know this is a strong sell area, so it is possible, I told you, that gold will reach this level 100%. So, and now you can see it already come our. So anyway, we got an entry for gold as well, okay? But gold, what happened on gold on Thursday, 23rd of January, we got this impulse. So let me show you in 15 minutes so you can see in a bigger picture. Yep, here. So here we got this impulse. We're waiting confirmation right after it breaks this candle. So here, yes, right after it breaks this candle, we recognize it that gold will be another impulse, and our target was almost there, but now gold already run it 290 pips. So it didn't hit the target, and now the price already went back. So it is likely possible again to see tomorrow that, or Tuesday, price comes back. So once gold reach here, this target, so that means we are done with gold, and this time we are waiting for reversal. So actually, it was a pure price action, because always if you see the chart of gold, and I analyze it many times, we are getting impulse, pure correction, another impulse, another correction, impulse, and this one large correction. So this one was giving us a pure confirmation that we will get another impulse, and gold that it will remain on a bullish momentum. So, and exactly that's what happened. So all I can say, guys, on this video, on this recap, last week was really a positive week, and we learned so many things, especially how to trade the high impact news. So as you can see, most of the days was already red. So, and what kind of setup is that we are looking, and what kind of interest that we really, and I hope a lot of you get a beautiful interest, made some money on the market. So for me personally, I really trade the pairs that, I'm always sharing with you the pairs that I think it is valuable and we can profit from each week. So it was a really amazing week, and I hope at least you guys learned some thing in this video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button in order to not miss any insights or strategies that I will share with you in the future. So that was the end of the video, so stay tuned for the next video.